Detailed explanation of ocean pressure example. In this section, you will learn detailed explanation of above-mentioned ocean pressure examples. Ocean pressure in ocean circulation, ocean pressure in human body, high pressure in depth of ocean, pressure of ocean depth in human body, pressure at ocean level, ocean pressure in living things, water pressure in ocean, atmospheric pressure in ocean, pressure near or above ocean level, hydrostatic pressure in ocean, measurement of pressure in ocean, ocean currents under pressure in ocean, ambient pressure in ocean, submarine survive. Water pressure in ocean, water pressure at the bottom of Mariana Trench in ocean. Ocean pressure in ocean circulation. Ocean circulation is the wide-ranging sheaf movement of water in the ocean basins. Ocean circulation is a result of wind pushing, which involves pressure on the surface of the water and density difference between the water. Density is a very important property of an ocean because small local changes in density result in local variations in pressure at a given depth, which results in a driving of ocean circulation. Ocean pressure in human body. The human body is one of the most censurable things on the planet. But despite human bodies' many abilities, human bodies are pretty delicate when we consider the universe around us. For example, we have our pressure in air-filled spaces of our body like our lungs, stomach, and ears. Our internal pressure is equal to the outside air pressure. But when we jump into the ocean, we feel uncomfortable because our internal pressure is no longer equal to the ambient pressure. This is the reason for our ears hurt when we dive into the ocean. High pressure in the depth of ocean. Everything in the deep ocean is under a huge estimate of pressure at any depth in the ocean. With all feet an object descends into the ocean, more pressure is exerted upon that object, hence more water is pushing down and against it. Because of this high pressure in the depth of the ocean, scientists and explorers use specially designed equipment like remotely operated vehicles and manned submersibles that can effectuate under extreme pressure. Pressure of ocean depth in human body. The one reason the human body could not withstand the pressure of the ocean depth without preservation is the variation in volume between pressurized air and pressurized water. When the human body is at a deep enough level, water pressure increases, and the volume of air in the human body decreases because the human body does not have the strength to push back against the water pressure. Hence the lungs would collapse completely and causes ruptured eardrum and also cause breathing problem and killing instantly. Pressure at ocean level. The ocean can vary up to 100 m from a uniform ellipsoid depending on the density of the earth under it. The continent on which it sits changes the level of the ocean. The gravitational attraction of land pulls more water because of pressure raising the ocean around it. Ocean pressure is low near the equator and is called equatorial law if the pressure near the poles is high and is called polar high. The water content at the ocean level is at normal temperature. Pressure is 1013.25 millibars. Ocean pressure in living things. A band of ocean cod has lung-like swim bladders which help in controlling their buoyancy. The influence of ocean depth is less for organisms without swim bladders, which don't collapse because in the ocean the pressure outside the water is equivalent to the gas inside, so they are less affected by pressure than we imagine. Ocean pressure affects the chemical reaction, and organisms adapted to this pressure may experience a metabolic problem. Fish can breathe without using lungs, so the pressure difference remains balanced. Water pressure in ocean. It is the force that pushes water through pipes. The pressure increases by about 1 atm for every 10 m of water depth. The water pressure in the ocean is 300 to 900 pounds per square inch. Water pressure is so high in the ocean because the weight of the water above pushes on any object below it. If the more water is pushing down and against it, and more pressure is exerted upon that object. Atmospheric pressure in ocean. Atmospheric pressure has a direct impact on the ocean level. When we wigwag from ocean level to a heave on land, atmospheric pressure drops. This is because of less air above we pressing down. For every 10.06 m, we go down, the pressure increases by 1 atm. The force on the surroundings exerted by the high air pressure results in water movement, so in ocean areas high atmospheric pressure low ocean level, and vice versa. Pressure near or above ocean level. At ocean level, if the altitude increases, the gas molecules decrease, leading to a decrease in atmospheric pressure. For example, when a person or any other marine creature swims, water presses against all sides of them, then they feel equal pressure from all directions because of low altitude. The pressure near ocean level is the same as that of when we standing on the land. Hydrostatic pressure in ocean. When a person dives into the ocean even a few feet, remarkable changes occur. You can feel an increase of pressure on your eardrums because of hydrostatic pressure. If the person dives into the ocean, the diver reaches 33 feet, then the pressure is double what it was at the surface. For every 33 feet, hydrostatic pressure increases by 1 atm. Hydrostatic pressure is one of the main reasons why so little of the ocean floor has been explored. Measurement of pressure in ocean. At the ocean surface we feel 1 atm. As we descend into the ocean we feel 1 atm for every 10 m increase in depth. So at 1000 m depth the pressure would be 101 atm. If we consider the depth of ocean would be 3800 m, the pressure would be 381 times greater than the pressure at the surface. Ocean currents under pressure in ocean. In a homogeneous ocean having a constant potential density, if the surface of the ocean is tilted, then the horizontal pressure differences are possible. In this case, isobaric surfaces are tilted in the deep layers by the same amount as a barotropic field of mass. The unvaried pressure gradient gives current speed uncommitted of depth. The horizontal gradient of pressure is much smaller than the vertical changes in pressure given ocean currents. Ambient pressure in ocean. Ambient pressure is a junction of the hydrostatic pressure and the atmospheric pressure on the free surface. This increases approximately linear depth, and much greater changes in ambient pressure can be experienced underwater. At ocean level, ambient pressure is about 14.7 pounds per square inch. Submarines survive water pressure in ocean. Submarines have two hulls, one inside the other, to help them survive. Outer hull is waterproof and the inner one is called a pressure hull, which is stronger and preventive against immense water pressure. A submarine can control its buoyancy in the ocean. Depending on the depth of the submarine, when the submarine is in dived condition facing external seawater pressure. A submarine can dive is about 2,000 feet. Water pressure at the bottom of Mariana Trench in ocean. The deepest no point in an ocean is called as Mariana Trench. The water pressure at the bottom of the trench is crushing 8 tons per square inch. Picar as fish was a sea cucumber. It is thought that pressure is so great that calcium cannot exist except in solution. So living near the Mariana Trench is impossible for life because of extreme water pressure. Please visit our website lambdageeks.com for more articles on technology, engineering, mathematics, and various other domains. Scientific calculator and many more other tools.